Hello storm hunters and southeast storm chasers. Well, after the fun little machine called leaf blower with anemometer video, now we're going to take another step forward in our little experiments with very large hail. Now this is a little overdoing it, but hails possibly can get this size. I've gotten this size before actually. Record size hail is a little bit bigger than this. So first, I'm just going to throw it up in the air. Throw this up in the air and watch what it does. Just listen to how loud it can sound. You got to think this will be coming down at you about 100 miles an hour. This is probably going to be going maybe 40, 50, I don't know. And that was a pretty loud thump.
Show us.
Alright.
Hold it there, hold it there.
There is the next one.
I'll zoom in on it. Hold on, I'm gonna zoom out.
It's pretty big, has a little bitty hole right through there, but that shouldn't be a matter. Let's hope this time I won't miss. Alright. Here we go. Oh! That's exactly what I mean. I'm talking about large hail.
Hold on. Here, how about you videotape and I freaking throw it?
Keep on missing it. It's cold. Like that, break it very good. Let's try again, one more time.
That wouldn't be good.
Tasty. Here, let's go. Ah, and it hurts. It hurts. You hit by anywhere. Yow.